Hey, I'm Mohammed and I'm your People of Color Officer for 2023. And this is what we're all about.
We advocate for and support students that identify as Black or as people of color through social events, workshops, campaigns, and much more.
We have such a diverse cohort and want to recognize and celebrate the different holidays like UniMelb by holding huge events for Diwali, Holi, Eid, and the Mid-Autumn Festival.
Most of our events will be held in the new People of Colour space in the new Student Pavilion.
With comfy couches, bean bags, and a hefty supply of food, games, and even a karaoke machine for your use on campus anytime.
Come, let me show you. I have an amazing team behind me to make all of this possible. Feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, and even our website to keep track of all we do next year.